This is my nomination for Steve Reid for a podium award. Steve Reid is a solution developer within Siemens Building Technologies. He specifically works for the products business and has vast experience in building management systems plus developing of software. So why has he been nominated? Well, Siemens Energy Management had won a project called Triangulum in Manchester, where they needed to be able to connect smart grids to buildings, and unfortunately what they found was that many of the buildings they needed to connect to were not smart and definitely didn't have technology that was readily able to connect to a smart grid. They contacted us because of our knowledge of building technologies, even though many of these buildings don't actually have Siemens BMSs installed. What Steve then is worked with energy management to find the best way to connect their technology into the buildings, but not only in a good technical way, but it had to be commercially viable as well, keeping the connection as simple and as quick as possible. What Steve then did was actually worked with the management team to create a prototype, to develop software and create solutions, and actually work with them by connecting this equipment onto the site. At the end of it, he was able to hand over a pretty much working solution, and from there, energy management were then able to take that to the next stage of making it a commercial solution. I think they were very happy with the overall outcome.